Hey guys, it's Matt with ContractorHUB, and today I'm going to walk through creating a new position. This is one of the first things you're going to do when you get logged into your application, because we need to set up employees, but in order to set up employees, we have to set up positions first. So let's go ahead and jump right in so we can make this short. So everything's going to be done in the People module under Team Management. We'll then just go into the Positions tab. Once we have Positions tab open, we can now create a new position. We're just going to click New Position. Now we're going to name that position. So this could be Field Tech, and we will set them in their department. Now these are generic departments that we have set up, but you can always customize those departments under the People settings over here on the left. However, we don't need to do that just yet. If you want to, edit those departments later in the future, you can do that. You can give a brief description of what that employee is. I'd like out of sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and skip that. For deliverables. Now, these are optional. However, they're highly recommended. And this is what's part of the MPM with ContractorHUB. So we want to be able to set up deliverables and accountabilities for each position. So a position might have a deliverable like for a field tech or might be sell $200,000 in new equipment for whatever time period you want to set. So you always want to make them a SMART goal. So it would be, make it something that's measurable and it's time bound, and they can actually achieve it. So make sure you set them up as SMART goals. Happy to talk to you more about SMART goals in the future. But right now we're going to just create a deliverable for this. And you're going to get a quick example. So let's say sell 200K in equipment. Give a description about what that deliverable is. So whether that's, just gives you a little more context, gives the employee a little more context. Now, each deliverable, you'll notice, will also have this accountabilities. Now, the accountabilities are the instructions to hit that deliverable. So in order to hit $200,000, that employee to sell $200,000 in equipment, they have to do certain things. So that might be, look for upsell opportunities on each appointment. And then some more details potentially. So, and then you can add as many accountabilities. So that just think of the accountabilities as the instructions to hit the SMART goal, the deliverable. So if it's selling 200K in equipment, if it's, door knocking 100 customers a week, whatever it might be, those deliverables will have instructions, and those instructions are the accountabilities. So then we can just save that position. Once we save that position, we'll notice it goes into the position list. It'll tell us how many people are assigned and how many direct reports are owned by that. And now we can create a new employee for each individual position. So if I were now to create an employee, that position will be available in the list. So always remember, create the positions first. Once you create the positions, then you can assign the employees. If you do it the opposite direction, you won't be able to assign an employee to a position. So, and that's going to be critical for keeping this all organized and building out that org chart that we have to make sure that everything is filled within and there are no gaps in that org chart. So that's it. If you have any questions, reach out to customer success. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one.